Finally, I awakened. Where?
May game higwit at friendly.
Doon.
Bro,
Who?
do know that.
Who joined?
I'm a hacker, just kidding.
The hell?
Papa na,
Ah?
boy.
Sino naglaro ng pangkamot ni Papa mo?
Wala.
Bakit wala ang pangkamot daw ni Papa mo?
Ewan ko. Hindi ko naman linaro yun eh.
Hindi nilaro nila ano?
Hindi.
Hindi nila hinawakan?
Hindi.
Sure ka?
Oo. That was just my mom. My Filipino mom.
I'm a out-combo this guy.
Who? It's Jimmy? Oh, you gonna destroy Jimmy again? Bro, have some mercy for Jimmy. Oh, kill him, bro. Don't show any mercy. Don't show any mercy, bro. We do not care. Fucking ability grinding. Ability grinding. I will never.
Second na ba yan?
Alin?
Yung mga NPC na sa second na ba first?
Second, yeah. Maganda ba kalabanin si Diamond? Why? He's a diamond recruiter. Remember that always. 269.
Bro, that's not my favorite combo.
Who is your favorite number? Bro, that's still 69. The hell up? Why is the neighbor singing? Why the hell is the neighbor singing? That's why I don't like living here, bro. There's always someone singing, destroying each other's faces, destroying each and everyone's reputation. Jesus. Look at him. You can't. Where? You can't destroy me. No. No, you can't. My PvP is off. Bro lagging. Bro lagging as hell. I said you're lagging as hell. Nakakapagod you. Even though you're max level. Sure, destroy me. You can't destroy me. My PvP is off. Yeah, now you can. Now I want on my PvP. Yes, I can. Nah. I took your lines. 136 finally, Lord Jesus. No! Still don't have it. That's why. The hell is that? Kaguya. The Naruto fans. Damn. He died. Die. Die. I'm gonna get revenge. Oh, that's not here. Here. 2,000 Sunny. What? Where the hell is the Katsuni again? Lisa. Hell. I destroyed him.
That's why you get level up.
Yeah. What's the breakfast too early? That's why I don't like to record. Die! Where the hell did NPC go? Die! Yes! 2 levels. No! One dragon. Oh. Can you shave? Why? Yes, dragon talon. Oh. I don't wanna do this anymore. There are 3 dragons and 2 sharks. You can't kill me. I am the one and only. You can't destroy me. I can't destroy you. Because I don't have my PvP. Amateur.
Now you have your PvP on. You have enabled.
Kill me. Kill me if you can. Do you want bounty or not? If I don't want free honor, I didn't. Bro, you're like, are you Telantric, son? Get away. Where the hell did it even go? I'm doing the glitch. Hand me head on. He dead. He dead. Absolutely dead. He absolutely dead. He died. Ano nangyari sa labas? Tapos may kumakanta. Ano sa akin outside? Siguro pakanan naman yan nila si Rabdul. Finally.
What level?
39. Huh? His level is... No.
Let me see.
702. Yeah, I know, bro. He doesn't grind. No.
Lol.
What the hell is happening with the speaker? Now you can't kill me. Hey, watch your mouth. I'm recording.
Bahang.
I thought it was, you know. No. I remember that one time my friend, his name is Gideon, he touched the boob of one girl in our class. Yeah, I know. I'm just sharing it, guys. Nah, you're sassy. You're sassy baka. No, I'm not sassy. Nah, not. Bro, the NPCs miss 1 inch, 1 pixel. Lisa Surge. Destroyed him.